Our topic today will be the 2022 Mercedes-AMG SL55. Let's get started. What's new for 2022? Mercedes-AMG's iconic SL class is all new for 2022, following a short hiatus, and it should be on sale in time for convertible season. A host of luxury features come standard on all SL models, including massaging seats, a head-up display, and a Burmester stereo system. We go with the more expensive SL63 to unlock the twin-turbo V8's maximum power figure. Both the SL55 and SL63 are offered in either touring or performance specifications, with the latter coming with a front axle lift feature and darkened exterior trim. Engine, transmission, and performance. Both SL models are powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 borrowed from the GT sports car. In the SL55, the engine makes a stout 469 horsepower. But upgrading to the SL63 boosts that figure to a thundering 577 ponies. A 9-speed automatic is the only transmission, and an all-wheel drive system and 4-wheel steering are standard on all SL models. Such powertrains will allow the revived SL class to take on convertible versions of the BMW 8 Series and the Lexus LC, both of which are offered with powerful V8 engines, as well as more sporting rivals, such as the Porsche 911. During our initial test drive, we found the SL to be just off from its new, sportier mission. The car offers several adjustable drive modes, which makes it hard to dial in just the right amount of agility and comfort, giving the impression that it's not quite focused enough on one or the other. Acceleration is prompt, especially with the more powerful version of the V8 on board, and the SL63 hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds in our testing. Fuel economy and real-world Mpg. The SL earned an EPA rating of 14 and 21 mpg for city and highway driving for both the SL55 and SL63 models. Both V8 powered versions of the 8 Series and the LC are rated at 25 mpg highway, which bests the SL by a few mpg. When we get a chance to put the new SL class through our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, we can evaluate its real-world Mpg, interior, comfort, and cargo. The SL class remains solely a 2-door convertible, but rather than last generation's complicated folding hardtop, a fabric roof has been used on the new model to save weight and maximize cargo space. Still, don't expect an expansive trunk. A pair of small rear seats provides a place to park an occasional passenger, but that area is better suited to cargo than people. The interior is plenty luxurious, and Mercedes' novel air scarf feature, which gently blows warm air on the driver and front passenger's neck during cold weather drives, is standard. Infotainment and Connectivity. All SL models come with Mercedes' new MBUX infotainment system, complete with the system's Hey Mercedes virtual assistant, and a large 11.9 inches touchscreen infotainment display that can be adjusted for viewing angle depending on a driver's preference. A 12.3 inches digital gauge display is also standard. Navigation in both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included as well. All SLs come with a Burmester stereo system, but the SL63 can be optioned with an upgraded surround sound version.